Welcome to the next episode in the BasicOps MCP recipe series. Today, we will cover the capacity and workload balancer. This prompt helps you get an overview on your entire workspace to see every team member's capacity percentage. I uploaded the prompt as a file, and Claude is saving it as a skill. All I need to do to see the workspace overview is tell my AI assistant to show me workload capacity. My AI assistant gave me an organized and easy-to-understand overview where I can see each person's capacity. Your AI will even look at the types of tasks assigned to each person and suggest moving tasks around based on individual skills. It flags errors such as any overloads and even suggests how to fix them. You can see 3 buttons here that allow me to make any of the suggested changes. These changes will automatically reassign tasks in BasicOps, allowing me to focus on what actually matters. You can also ask your AI assistant to move this overview into a personal note in BasicOps. All you have to do is let it know. The BasicOps notes will have proper task links and can be customized in any way. Thanks for taking a look at the MCP recipe series, and make sure to keep your eyes peeled for our next MCP connection tip.